Okay guys, today is our last day here in this hotel. We are heading to Surf Beach, and that's gonna be our last destination for this trip. And I can say this hotel is not bad for at least a week or probably 3 days. Okay, so we're going to the outlet. You're right. And I make sure I didn't leave anything, and I made sure like it's in places, everything that we touch, because I used to work in the hotel, so I know how it feels. This is how the hotel, or the room I mean, looks like. It has a pull-out bed, sofa, sleeper sofa, and these are the luggage. It has a little kitchen there, and we're checking out right now.
In 1 mile, turn right.
We arrived in Lompoc, California, Surf Beach, and I'm gonna show you this succulent. It's amazing. See how healthy the flower. Oh my gosh, it's super. They have a train station also. It's beautiful out here, and they do have a train station. That this train is connect to where we went on the other day. What do you call that? Hamala Beach. Is it Hamala? Hamala. No, the other one, Hamala Beach. Yeah. So this train is connected to Hamala Beach that we went the other day, and it's beautiful. Look at those oceans. Yeah. That. It is pretty. So to go to the ocean, close to the ocean, you have to this little step here. Oh my gosh! And look at all those succulents. And
blooming down here.
It is blooming. They're flowering. You're right.
Wherever you want to go.
How am I gonna do this?
Hold on. Do it by not being panicked.
At least I made it. That's, you know, when you're getting old, when you're getting old, you're kind of scared to fall. But I'm not that old. So guys, this is beautiful. I wonder how is it in summer, baby. I bet there's a lot of people here.
Yeah.
So if you're looking for a place to go for a beach, this is the perfect one. And it's pretty. Look at this, all that succulent. Oh my gosh, they are so beautiful. Look at that flower. It's pretty, and they're all succulent. It's not a flat, like a flat sand. I think you have to go down there to go to the water. Beautiful. Beautiful weather. It's cold, but it's not, you know, it's not that cold. Okay guys, we are here in Lompoc Surf Beach and look at this ocean here. It's beautiful. The waves and the sky, blue sky. But you know, I don't know how it looks like in summer. So probably it's a lot of people here, but this is beautiful guys. So if you're looking for a place in summer to take your family for a vacation, this is perfect place for you. Oh my god, it's so blue. The water is super blue and the sky is blue. It's quiet and it's not really, you know, not cold. And I'm gonna go 360. I'm gonna go 360. I know. My daughter doesn't want to be in the camera. Okay guys, so we're going down. Where are we going? To the public beach access. And look at this old succulent here. It's beautiful. White flowers and yellow. And this is all the way down to the beach access. And it's more over there. It's beautiful. So for a day trip vacation, you can just go to a surf beach, California. It's in Is it in Lompoc? Yeah, so I hope you're hearing me because I don't have my mic and the waves is loud and I don't know if I'm speaking loud, so I hope you're hearing this, but the scenery and the views is enough for you to see. It's beautiful. I don't have any words to describe, but it's beautiful. So we are walking towards the other beach. So guys, we are like hiking right now. But it's a pretty walk. All this. Look at that. And how many minutes more? Oh my gosh. Huh? It's a very narrow walking path right there. So, but look at that sky. It's blue skies. Pretty. So guys, how's your day doing? So I hope you're doing good while watching this. You're in a good mood. Hey guys, we're here in Park Beach in Surf Beach, California. So this is their park ocean here, and they have a playground, and they do have the gazebo there, and they do have the train bridge over in that side that we're going later. And I'm telling you, this is a pretty area, like pretty location to take your family. So I hope you're hearing me because I don't have my mic for the second time. But the scenery is beautiful. And they do have restroom also. So it's good that they do have this restroom. baby. Look at that, look at that, look at that.
Cornflake time.
Look at that, baby. You see my camera? That video? It's amazing. Well, I'm gonna come back to it. So I am going to closer to the ocean to see how does it look. It's gonna be over. You see that path over there? You can go there. I saw people there. Here we go. We are going close to the ocean. I'm following that guy, and we'll see what's behind this train track. Oh, he stopped. So I don't know if you can go in, but I saw people there. Hey guys, so we're gonna go back to the same route because the guy went through.
Lady that was jogging, she's on there.
And maybe he did climb that area there, you know, because the gate is locked. Or maybe he get on the other side.
Squeeze through, pick up the path on down from the thing.
Oh, finally, we are going through. Look at this. Whoa! Oh, it's cold. The breeze. Oh my gosh. This is behind this,
The train bridge there.
or beneath the train track. Whoa, look at that. Where are you going?
Go this way.
Go that way. Oh my goodness. Okay. We are gonna walk closer to the ocean.
Maybe it'd be easier to walk on this right side
Okay.
where it's wet.
Where it's wet.
Get more grip.
But I don't wanna get wet.
Or you don't have to walk in the wet part. Sand is so far.
I know, right? It is beautiful. Relaxing.
Used to be an old pier here.
It
Gone.
probably this used to be water, right? Probably this used to be a lot of water here because there's a lot of debris, you know. Oh wow, I didn't bring my jacket. It's super cold. What can you say about this?
Well, we are at the edge of a river meeting the ocean here. If the camera flips around, you see the river where it dumps into the ocean, but it's actually going the opposite way.
So I flip it
There you
around,
go. That's a train track. That's an Amtrak train track going over.
going over to,
And I just don't know the names of things right now, but
Okay.
I'll fill in the blanks later.
okay, to us. And there you go. Beautiful, huh?
The train will be coming from way over here in this draw.
Okay, the train will be coming all the way down there, right?
Right?
Okay, so I'm
Heading back
doing
towards LA.
right there close to the ocean. Okay guys, we are heading back to the car. So we are finished here and we're looking for one more spot